welcome to this postnatal session. So today we're going to see more stretching you can do to relieve the back pain due to the breastfeeding. I can see a lot of mom always in an hunched over position like that, even when they are not breastfeeding the baby, okay? So today we're going to see more stretching you can do to release the pressure there and the pressure just around the shoulder blade, okay? So the first, it's pretty simple. You're gonna sit like that with leg crossed. If it's not really comfortable for you, up, you can put two pillows, one here and one here, okay? And we're gonna slowly tilt the pelvis on the back, okay? So I'm gonna show you on the side. So you are sitting like that, okay? You're gonna slowly tilt a little bit the pelvis just to avoid doing that with the lower back, okay? Just to avoid that hold there. So you tilt a bit. You're gonna first relax the shoulder. Just first we're gonna work on the posture. You relax the shoulder, okay, shoulder down. You're gonna try to squeeze a little bit the shoulder blade. Imagine you want to open that part. Then you're gonna imagine that someone is pulling you from the head up, and you're gonna do a double chin. And you stay in that position. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Keep that posture there. Keep the squeezing, shoulder down. Breathe in, breathe out. We're gonna do a few breaths like that. Breathe in, breathe out, and you relax, okay? Just start like that. You can move the pelvis in between, okay? So this stretching gonna also work on your muscles, on your posture muscles, okay? So that's really important. The second stretching you can do up is for your neck, okay? So you put the pillow there. And also, one little advice, but I'm sure you know that, when you're breastfeeding, try to use a breastfeeding pillow, okay? In case you don't have one, try to put a lot of different pillows to avoid staying on that posture, okay? And when you're breastfeeding, this bird position, you can work a little bit on it, okay? So you tilt a bit, shoulder down, squeeze a bit the shoulder blade. You put a lot of pillow on the couch, maybe better, and then you try do some movement like that with the shoulder, okay? So now we're gonna do a bit of stretching for the neck. So first you're gonna put one hand on the shoulder, okay, on the opposite shoulder. You're gonna put a little, not a lot, but a little pressure on the shoulder, and slowly you're gonna breathe out, breathe in, and when you breathe out, you're gonna incline your head on the opposite direction, and you will feel a stretch like that, okay? So the stretch is not painful, okay? You have to feel a little bit stretching, and you just stay on that position for almost 20 seconds. Don't do that, okay? It's not great. You just stretch, you feel the stretch, you stay, and you breathe. You stay on 3 breaths, we're gonna say. And then you're gonna slowly put the head forward and look your foot here, and you stay on 3 breaths. And then you go back on side, and you go back in the middle, and you're gonna change sides. So little pressure just to keep the shoulder down. You breathe in, breathe out. You go on the side, you will feel the stretch there. Stay on 3 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And then you're gonna slowly turn a little bit the head forward and look your foot. And you will feel the stretch a bit more in the back. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And always keep that little tilting, okay, on the back. And you relax, okay? Move the shoulder on the back. Okay, the next one, it's to stretch a bit in between the shoulder blades. So it's pretty easy. You're gonna cross your arms like that, your finger like that, sorry. You put the shoulder down, you can also cross like that. Shoulder down, you squeeze a bit the shoulder blade, and you're gonna do a movement forward and back. So, I'm gonna show you on the side. Up. So you keep that little tilting. Imagine that someone is pulling you from the head, like that, and push. Imagine you push someone. You try to separate the shoulder blade and down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. And relax. Okay? So this exercise you can do few times, okay? You stay on that position few seconds and 3 times, for example. Okay, so now we come back in that position, okay? And we're gonna do one a bit different. So you're gonna up, cross like that, cross your elbow, you're gonna hold your hands like that. You breathe in, and while you breathe out, you're gonna put your elbow up. So just stay. First you tilt a bit the pelvis on the back, then you imagine that someone is pulling you from the head, you relax the shoulder, and let's go. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out, you go down. Breathe in, breathe out, you go up, breathe in, and down. Breathe in and go up. Breathe in and you go down. Breathe in and you go up. Breathe in and you go down. And you relax, okay? And we're gonna change the side. Up. So you cross. You start like that. So the same tilt. Up, sorry, that side. Breathe in, breathe out, you go up. Breathe in, breathe out, you go down. Breathe in, breathe out, you go up. Breathe in, and you will feel the stretch in between the shoulder blades. Breathe in and out, in and out, and you go down. Okay, so you can do this stretching on 3 breaths. Okay, you can do 1 time, you can do twice. Okay, if you have time, it's great also to do 2 times for each arms. Okay, so now we're gonna sit up and we're gonna change a bit of position. So you can take a chair. So you're gonna take a chair and you're gonna try to find a wall, okay? So I'm just gonna move that you can see perfect. So you sit on your chair, okay? Okay, the same. You're gonna tilt a little bit the pelvis, okay? You put your both hands on the wall and you're gonna slowly go up, 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 up. And you relax everything on that position. Okay, stay on that position. I'm just gonna up, put this up. bit, one arm, and go up, 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 and you relax everything. Okay. And you will feel the stretching all around there, but also on the back. So when you're like that, you're gonna put your both hands on one side, and you will feel the stretching more on that side. So the same, you stay on 3 breaths. And you change the side. And you go back in the middle. And you go in a sitting position slowly. Okay, so the same. You can do twice for each side. If you have time, it's perfect. If you don't have time, just once is great, okay? At the end, you can just relax the shoulder, tilt a little bit the pelvis, like we did like that on the back, and just open your arm like that. Okay. Relax. Okay, so the next one is gonna be one stretching on the wall, also just to stretch that part of the muscles, okay? So you're gonna look forward, try to find an angle, okay? You put up, you put your shoulder, I'm gonna show you like that. Perfect. So you're gonna put the shoulder on the wall, okay? And all the arms on the wall, and you're gonna twist a bit, okay? Shoulder down also, and you turn. You go back in the middle, and you do the same. You can also just put one elbow like that, and you turn, you turn, you turn, just to feel the stretching here forward. Breathe in, breathe out. And you relax, okay? And the same, just here, just to show you. So you put all that part on the angle. You just turn a bit, shoulder down, up, tilt a little bit the pelvis, and we stay. And you will feel everything here. And you relax, and you turn, okay? So this little routine you can do like twice or 3 times a day. It could be great. And also try to think about your posture, okay? When you're in a sitting position, even when you're not breastfeeding. I know breastfeeding can be a bit tricky sometimes, so we don't think the position, we just think about the baby. So try to stretch after if you don't think about the posture during the breastfeeding, okay? And I will see you next week for new stretching. Bye bye.